Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of What is Your Hobby? In today's session, we will look into first embroidery project, and I guess you're excited for that. I'm also very excited. Now, for this project, we're going to use only two stitch that we have learned earlier in our embroidery level 1. So if you're new here, you can check the link in the description, and if you have already mastered this basic stitches, then you're good to go. So let's dive in and start. For this project, I'm going to use these handmade masks that I made myself. If you have ready-made masks, that's cool, you use that. Here I have drawn two designs. As mentioned, we're going to use two types of basic stitch today. After you have your design ready, take your flows. I'm using white flows for my first stitch, and since I'm working with 6 strands DMC flows, I'll carefully take out one flows as I don't want all the 6 strands for my design. I'm going for something small. Take your needle. Here I'm going to select the smallest size needle I have as I'm using only one flows. I have tied a knot to start. Let's start with a small kitty here. For this one, I'm using simple running stitch. Be careful and don't poke your fingers. Here I have completed the outline. For the eyes, I'm using black flows and make a simple spread stitch here twice. In the same manner, I'll go ahead and fill the nose as well. I have finished the mouth. Now I'm just going to close the stitch by making a knot on the back. And trim off the flows. For the nose, I'll be using pink flows. Just fill the nose with simple stitch. Now for our next big cat, whom I also name it as Bob, I'll be using black flows. I have finished the outline. Again, like before, I'm going to use the same color thread and do the mouth and eyes. Before you trim off the flowers, I'm gonna use it to fill the print. You can randomly give it a straight stitch. Now let's give Bob a pinky nose as well. And ta-da! Here comes Bob and Small Kitty. They make my boring plain mask into a not so boring plain mask, right? I'm definitely making more. Anyway guys, you see how simple this was, so go ahead and make some more Bob and Kitty for yourself or any design of your choice. That's it guys, I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching, and you can also recreate your own other patterns using the same stitch, but you can also recreate your own design, spice it up, and also leave your comment down below what you think of these stitches. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. And I'll be back with another exciting videos next week. So stay tuned, and until then, bye.